Do you want to merge cells in Excel or Google Sheets without losing data? Have you tried this? Where you select and you merge, but then, oh no, it's going to get rid of some of the data. We don't want that. So, quick hack.
Merge cells without losing data in Sheets and Excel. GP Teacher's Tech Hack of the Week.
Here you go. First of all, we want to give a title. We're going to click in function bar, hit equal, select the cell with the first name that we're looking for, type the and sign, quotation mark, space, quotation mark, and symbol, cell with the last name, and enter. There you have it. One simple step to merge columns without losing any data in Excel and Sheets. Be sure to subscribe and like to get more tips like this.
Thanks for checking out GP Teacher's Tech Hack of the Week.